and Leo, thank you so much for coming down. How's the drive?
Yeah, it was a bit long, but we got it right in the end, so...
We got it in the end. Yeah, that's what matters, right? Chris, you've been around the project, you know, to see what they do and like all the gaming rooms and everything. How was it?
No, it was excellent. I just won on FIFA as well, so...
Oh yeah, typical, very typical, playing FIFA. Well, today, the reason why they're here is number one, to see the Blocks project and see what's happening in Sunderland and seeing all the good things that's happening. And the second reason why they're here is because of a giveaway that we, BornGood and the football club have collaborated on, which went out, I think, last week. So we are giving away 3 laptops to a very special winner, which we have already selected. And what they are going to do today is we are going to test their IT knowledge. Does anybody want to see that? Here. So the challenge today, they will have to send an email to the winners. They can't send the email to the winners because the laptops don't work. So Chris and Leo, they're going to try their hand at fixing the computers. Are you guys confident?
Nope.
No.
I can barely work my phone.
So they're going to try their hand at fixing something called a RAM in the computer. It's RAM. So basically that dictates how fast the computer is. And without the RAM, they can't start up the computer. So first of all, are you guys excited?
Very excited, yeah.
So they'll be timed on the phones there. Dan, he's going to be in charge of the timer. And they have all the tools there with them. They have the RAM there as well. They've been briefed. So are we ready, Dan?
Whoa, don't cheat.
What? It said flip then.
Hold your horse.
No.
Go! It's not working.
Chris, what's the holder? It's anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Guys, you guys have manuals. Nice. Looks like Leo has a head start.
That one. Oh, sorry.
Who here thinks Leo's gonna win?
Oh, honestly.
I do now, yeah. Think so.
Stay awake, I'm coming.
Leo is halfway through the email, but Chris is flying. Chris is winning by 5 words.
Where's our side? When I press send.
Oh! Is Leo pressing send?
Finish.
Then he's going to check if Leo has any typos. If Leo has a typo, that's 1 second added to his time. How was the challenge, boys?
Very demanding, yeah, very tough.
It was nerve-wracking.
Chris managed to keep up. Chris managed to come
I
back.
did,
Wow.
Wait. He hasn't even put it on correctly.
Why are you crossing?
I just want to say the winners for the giveaway is Amber Hagen. Can we get a cheer, guys, for the winners? Amber Hagen, Joe Corner, and Martin Fitz. Congratulations, you guys have won a refurbished laptop. How was it, guys? How's the equipment?
No, it's good. Very good, yeah.
I mean, it's for a refurbished piece of tech. You know, if it wasn't for you guys, it would have been in a waste field somewhere.
Yeah, of course.
So hope you guys had fun. What we're going to do now is going to quickly check the scores.
He's
And then we're going to write it down on a piece of paper. We're going to take some pictures with the kids. We're going to take some pictures with
Sounds brilliant. Is it tight? Or have I absolutely missed the whole paragraph?
Did he miss a paragraph?
Maybe.
You want to write down
that's
the
good,
times,
that.
mate?
That's very good.
Who wants to know who the winners are? At 16 minutes, 35 seconds, 89 milliseconds. Leo, you won the challenge.
Yes.
But Chris wasn't far back, considering he starts 16 minutes, 46 seconds, and 55 seconds.
18 with 7 seconds added on.
He was 18 seconds behind you, mate.
Tight.
That was amazing.
Oh.
You want to just come in the front and then we'll just take a picture?